Okay. So, start. Okay. Everybody listen. So, I will start in a particular way. Don't think it belongs to any particular religious sort of things, but you join me, I will explain why. Take off your specs. Close your eyes. Fold your hands. Concentrate on Almighty God and express your thanks and gratitude for everything you have got in life. Take your parents' blessings by touching their feet mentally. Feel that all positive energy entering your mind and you becoming stronger. Whatever you discussed today, we shall remember forever. Rub your hands, touch your eyeballs, touch your cheeks and open with a gentle smile. Just today this is a 30-second meditation. It has got no relation with any sort of religious sort of thing, Hindu, Muslim, Jain, Christian, no. Because I have asked you to concentrate on Almighty God, and Almighty God is the toppest God. And you have to believe it, whatever be the name of that God, whatever be, but you have to believe that tomorrow after say 20 hours or after 15 hours, there will be again sun rising. And today after 7-8 hours, sun will not be there, it will not be visible. So that day, night, sun, moon, all these things, who does? That is the power. And we all are connected to that power. You have to admit, some people call it Allah, some people call it Shiv, some people call it suppose something else, but the same thing is there. So I like to concentrate on that because we are here because of that power. You have to admit it. You have to admit it. At any cost you have to admit it ultimately. If you have any issue, you can talk to me later on. And I have asked you to concentrate and take the blessings of your parents. And parents are not here, you see. But I have asked you to take the blessings of your parents by touching their feet mentally. You have to touch their feet mentally. The moment I said parents, your mother and father came to your mind, isn't it? Immediately came to mind. That father and mother came to mind. No other person comes to mind. And you imagine when 30 seconds only, I told you that take blessings of your parents, that you are touching parents, ma, the father, and this way you are doing it. Why? Because the earlier superpower is there, but you cannot see him. Superpower is there, we cannot see. But this we can see, one God and one goddess, you have already seen. Whenever you do something, you remember them, take their blessings. If they are near you, touch their feet when you go for some important work, whatever it may be. And if they are not with you, mentally just 10-5 seconds you do this way. And because parents are the great source of inspiration, parents are the great source of energy, everything, and we are here because of our parents. Every day for every work, you take their blessings a little bit and take care of your parents. That is the most important thing. And one more thing, just next day I will not talk all these things. You see, sun is so powerful, so hot, sun cannot do anything to you. Sun does not burn. When Tendulkar bats in the cricket field in the month of July or June in Africa also, too hot, but sun cannot do anything, because you know sun is so hot, if you go near the sun, anything goes near the sun will be burnt. But here sun cannot do anything. But at the same time, if you do this way, focus sun's ray to pass it to magnifying glass, it will be burnt, isn't it? Those you know it. Magnifying glass, you pass the sun ray, it will be burnt. So mind is bigger than sun. Your mind is bigger than sun, bigger than whole world. If you ask me why, sir, see, I talked about parents, parents came. I talked about America, America came. I talked about the moon has come. I talked about space, has it come? I talked about Shubhangshu Shukla has come. I talked about rockets has come. Whole world, sun. You just think the ocean coming, come. You see the solar system, everything put together, come. So it is said that mind is bigger than the whole universe. Mind is bigger than the solar system. Mind is bigger than anything. Mind is so powerful. But if mind is scattered this way, just like sun cannot do anything, the sun cannot burn. If mind is scattered this way, mind cannot do anything good for you. So focus the mind. That is the most important thing. Focus the mind, what you want to do, and that focus will regularly increase your concentration, and concentration matters most. Concentration matters most. CM square, remember? Concentration matters most. The more you concentrate in Ph.D., concentrate in any work, you are doing some other work, concentrate. Then you are working in a multinational company or you are working in a university or college, concentrate to the work. The moment you concentrate the work, work becomes better. It's not that connection with only examination. Even after examination, whole life is full of examinations, because you shall be working somewhere, you will be doing some business, you will be doing some teaching, you will be doing some company, some research work, whole life. So, try to focus that way. And this meditation, this type of meditation helps. I have taken only 30 seconds, and I advise when you appear in the exam, suppose answer script is given, but question paper is not given, that 30 seconds what will do is concentrate this way. When study at home, then you concentrate this way. We do any good thing, you concentrate. And I have not told you any particular religion. I have told you about the whole universe and mother and father, and try to do it. And that girl knows, because she has attended this type of classes 30 seconds over the years with me in Guwahati Commerce College, and she knows the benefit. You also try to do it. If you are not doing, maybe you are doing something better meditation. So, remember these things. And one more thing, just you listen what I am doing. If you know, you also chant with me. I'll explain the meaning why. I'll tell you the reason why. Listen. Om Shahana Bhavatu Shahano Bhunaktu Shahabirjam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, this is a mantra in Ved, Tatric Ved. There is like the Tatriya Ved, like that, one particular Ved is there. In that Ved, this mantra is there. And you can tell me, sir, is it a religion class? Is it a meditation class? Is it a yoga class? I will say no. Then you will ask me, sir, why have we chanted these things? Let me tell you the meaning. This mantra states that, and this mantra takes you to the proper relation between teacher and student. It says, Om Shahana Bhavatu, means two persons, two parties. One is teacher, other is student. One is teacher, other is student. Question, please concentrate to me. Don't do this work now. Please stop that work now. Please concentrate to me. Double thing is not allowed. You will do it later on, whatever you are doing. So, it means that teacher and student, whoever, have eternal connectivity. Om Shahana Bhavatu, teacher and student, this thing is more applicable in Ph.D. Applicable anywhere, but more applicable in Ph.D. Teacher and student are having eternal connectivity, and teacher and student shall do the work, means guide and scholar shall do the work jointly. And whatever work you do, some benefit will be coming, and that benefit will be shared equally by scholar and supervisor. That is the meaning inside. It was written 7,000-8,000 years back. At that time also, the Guru Shishya was there, and now also in Ph.D. you have to have very good relation with your supervisor, very good connectivity, because he is the teacher, supervisor, guide, and you are the scholar student. And when you shall be again guide, same thing, you shall maintain the relation with your scholar, with your student. Because if that type of good relation is there, only then you can do something good. You have to connect your guide, supervisor regularly, in touch, see the advice, and maybe there is something, any benefit comes, it will be shared both by supervisor and guide, supervisor and scholar, and that is written in this. And there should not be any enmity, there should be always good relation between the supervisor and scholar. Good relation should be there. The better relation, good relation you have, better will be your research work and everything. So, I have seen this is very much connected with Ph.D. research. That's why I just in my introductory class I explain these things, and there should not be any enmity between the two parties. Suppose you don't like your guide or guide doesn't like you, that situation should not be allowed to happen. Whoever your guide also should know, research scholar also should know, there is a very cordial, good relation, then good things come. Because you have to have discussion, lot of discussion with that. And the end of this mantra, it said that there should be peace in the earth, there should be peace in the sky, there should be peace everywhere. Om Shanti, 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 3 times is said, peace everywhere. So, this is having no connection with, again I am repeating, no religious sort of things. Remember, there is a gulf of difference between religion and dharma. Religion is an English word, and dharma is Indian word. used in English also. Dharma means something which is beyond religion. Religion means small, small belief system. Hindu, Jain, Christian, Muslim, Christian, like that, a level belief system. But dharma here means, let me talk to you, I will finish up the video just now. Dharma of oxygen, dharma of nitrogen, dharma of water, dharma of fire, dharma of student, dharma of scholar, dharma of humanity, human dharma, dharma of anything, dharma of doctor, dharma of teacher, dharma of scholar, dharma of student. That dharma, something which is, origin, you cannot deny it. Dharma of oxygen and hydrogen, H2O, no? H2O. When you put it, it will become water. There is no difference. It will become water, definitely. These types of things are there. Dharma of fire, dharma of that sun, like that. That dharma we are targeting. And when you do this PhD work, anything, you will be finding this connectivity. And sometimes commerce students, if you sometimes want to talk me differently, I will connect this with your some of the topics. Today, even that topic can be taken by them also. Like, today, that I said the whole world is from one point of view connecting together. Maybe political barriers are there. There is UNO, UNO, and UNO has the agenda that there should be, whole world should be, doing the same plan. One plan, one planet, no plan B. Why? For your environment, for the nature. I am giving some glimpse of their topic, but it will be connecting you also somewhere. See, I have told him, you can say, sir, you have started spiritually. I am connecting to their, it will be connected to their topic mostly, I don't know about you. See, this whole world is at a problem. The environment is a problem. We worship the environment. We worship the nature. That is superpower we are worshipping. Suppose you give, what nature gives us? What nature gives us? Nature gives us oxygen, nature gives us, or environment gives us water, environment gives us food, gives us dress, gives us everything. And what we give to nature? Pollution, degradation, all these things we are giving. So, this fact has been taken by accountancy to be a topic of discussion. I am not talking about psychology, you will be finding these things. And in accountancy, this is the topic. This is known as environmental accounting. Environmental accounting, the new topic coming in the accountancy world. Environmental accounting, it is written in every world, every country, they are going for environmental accounting. You have to make accounting. There are lots of laws in India to protect the environment. Environmental Protection Act 1986, and lots of other, Water Act, Pollution Act, lots of acts have come. See, and that is, if you think properly what I have talked today, the spiritualism connected there. In every topic is connected there. You will find when you go for higher research, environmental accounting is there. I am not pushing you, I am not forcing you, but I am just bato mein kuch bol diya. Now we can stop it. So, thank you very much for the introductory class. Have good relation with your topic, with your guide, and go ahead. Lots of blessings to you.